To add a highlight on Instagram without anyone seeing it, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to access settings and privacy. Then scroll down to Who can see your content and select Hide Story and Live. Tap Hide Story and Live From, then select all your followers. Now, your story is invisible to everyone. Go back to the home page and tap on your profile picture to add a new story. Upload the story you want to add to your highlight, then tap the arrow at the bottom right, and after that, tap Share. Once the story is posted, tap Add to Highlight, choose the highlight category, and tap Done. Congratulations, the story is now in your highlights without anyone seeing it. Finally, don't forget to reset your privacy settings. Go back to story settings, then deselect all followers from the Hide Story From option so your future stories will be visible again. Now, enjoy a well-organized profile without any hassle.